out, ukulele ready to show you. These are the little soprano scale instruments I built from shop scraps. In this case, we've got some really cool Myrtle for the back and sides, just left over from other projects. Cool little end graft there. It's got a Porterford cedar top, a one-piece Porterford cedar top. Orford cedar neck with a cool maple stripe down the middle. Then everything else is walnut and oak. And yeah, these are just the leftover bits from other projects. It's fun to find a use for them. Make these little guys. They're soprano scale, bone nut and saddle, geared tuners, and they're just lovely. So they go out to a little waiting list of folks. So if you want to get on the list for one of these, you can just email us info@thebeansprout.com. So yeah, this one's really fun. It's like really responsive and light. It's got a good bright tone, but it's got a nice long sustain for a soprano. So 848. Thanks a lot, folks.